guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun and useful video for you guys. I'm going to be taking some of the fancier, more extravagant feeling pieces in my closet and styling them in a way that is more casual and wearable for your everyday life. I was inspired to do this video because a couple of videos ago I made a functional and inspiring wardrobe tips video, and in that video I said something you should keep in mind while shopping is your day-to-day lifestyle and clothes that are practical to fit into your day-to-day life. And I feel like most of us probably have a pretty casual lifestyle, but I don't think that means we should miss out on the very special and unique kind of fancier clothes. So I'm really excited to get into this and style up some fancy pieces and show you how to make them more wearable for your day-to-day life. Some of the pieces I'm going to be styling up include blazers, I have a couple of fancy dresses, and a fancier blouse. So without further ado, let's hop right into these outfits. So the first look that I put together is centered around this gorgeous blazer. And I mentioned in my jacket collection video that I really want to try to find more casual ways to style this blazer so I can get a lot more wear out of it because I absolutely love it. So I wanted to put together kind of a daytime look, and it proved to be a challenge. I had to actually recruit my mom to help me out with this one. My initial vision was to style it with black bike shorts and a black tank, but I found that the color black made it look a little bit too dressed up. So that's my first tip for you guys. If you're trying to dress something down, maybe reach for lighter colors. It immediately helps it look not so dressed up. So then we decided to pull out the yellow in this blazer with my yellow tank top and my yellow shoes. And then to brighten it up even more, we added this crossbody bag. And as a joke, we added this funky kind of 80s inspired belt, but we actually ended up liking the way that it looks, so we just stuck with it. And I really like the way that this look turned out. I feel like it's very wearable and casual enough to wear out day to day. I think that it'd be perfect for like brunch or lunch. And I'm really into it, so let's keep moving. So the next piece that I wanted to go after is this lovely blouse. I absolutely adore it. I thrifted it a few months ago, and I feel like it looks very classy and ladylike. It definitely reads a little bit fancier. I definitely could see myself styling it with jeans and a pair of like strappy sandal heels for a kind of dressed up look, but not too dressed up. But I wanted to find a way to make it very, very casual. So I styled it with these denim shorts. I really like the contrast between a fancier summer blouse with a pair of just very casual denim shorts and some tennis shoes. So that's what I did. And then the cherry on top is this crossbody bag. I have it styled kind of as a fanny pack because I don't own a true fanny pack, so I'm working with what I have. And another tip for you guys is if you want to make anything look a bit more dressed down and casual, really play up your hairstyle. I can't do too much with my hair because it's short right now, but I feel like these little pigtails really add to the casual daytime vibe of this outfit. And I really like the way that this looks. So let's move on to our next piece. Is styled around this dress. I absolutely love this thing. I love to dress it up for a night out, going to dinner, wearing it with strappy heels, but I find that I don't get a lot of wear out of it during the day, which is so silly because it is absolutely perfect to wear for summertime. It's so flowy and airy, and I just want to start wearing it a lot more. I decided to go with kind of a casual summer day, maybe like a farmer's market look. I could see wearing this too. I had to pair it with these mint Converse because it was just way too perfect. I know not everybody has matching shoes and matching dresses in their closet. I just happened to get lucky with this look, but you definitely can make it more casual by styling it more of a beachy vibe with some sandals or flip-flops. And another way to make a look very casual is to add a little tote bag like this one. Again, for my outfit, I was playing with this color of the dress and the shoes, so I just thought it was perfect. But of course, work with what you have. Like I said, you could also go very beachy with this. And another way to dress down a dress like this is to go with some colorful sneakers or running shoes. But working with what I have in my closet, I really like the look of this outfit, and I'm definitely going to be wearing it this summer. And let's move on. So the next piece that we're dressing down is this beautiful slip dress. It has this lovely floral pattern on it, and then the little straps tie up at the top. And I've been really wanting to wear this dress, but I feel like it's just a touch fancy for the day today. So to dress it down, I paired it with some white tennis shoes, which is a surefire way to make any dress look dressed down. But then to take it a step further, I added this little lightweight button up and I tied it in a knot. I wanted to style it in a way that still felt feminine and summery because I feel like I could add on a masculine piece like a denim jacket and that would dress it down as well, but I really wanted to wear it in a way that still felt girly and flirty, and I really like the look of this. I think that if you have a white button down, it's a great addition to add over a dress, whether you're trying to make it look more casual or if you're just adding a little bit more modesty to your summer outfit. I think that it's a great piece to have in your closet. All right, let's move on to one more piece. So for this last outfit, I wanted to style up this really fun orange blazer. Now, I feel like there's elements of this outfit that definitely look a little bit dressed up, but the reason I wanted to share this outfit with you guys is because I feel like the silhouette of this blazer reads very businesswoman and more mature. But because of the fun color, I think that it's really fun to take it in more of a whimsical and young kind of outfit. So I wanted to show you guys how you can take something that feels very businessy and then make it into a very contrasting style. So what I did is I paired it with this really fun graphic t-shirt. The graphic is just very happy and young looking. And then the whimsical pattern of the polka dots, I think, plays really well with that fun and youthful vibe. And I really like this outfit. I wore it the other day and I've been waiting for the right video to share this look with you guys. And I think that this is a really good example of how to style something that feels a little more fancy and business. So that's a wrap on today's video. I really hope that this video helped you guys out and inspired you to reach for more of your fancy feeling pieces and wear them day to day in a more casual way. I put a lot of thought into these outfits. It took a lot of trial and error, but I am so pleased with the way that all of the looks turned out, and I think the tips are very applicable to use in your own wardrobe. So if you did enjoy this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. That helps out my channel immensely. And if you did like this video, I think you'd like my others as well. So if you wanted to stick around and subscribe, I would be thrilled to have you. And that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye!